Today for my daily sketch, I am going to be sketching a girl penguin. And the first thing that you need to do is that you need to create an oval. So I'm gonna use some nice feathery strokes, nice and soft. Oh, so softly, we're gonna be drawing the shape of an oval. Once we know that it looks good, just the way we want it, then we're gonna darken it a little bit. So I think this is right about where I want it to be. I'm gonna go like this. Okay, once we figure that out, then we're gonna make a little dot in the middle. We have to think about the line of symmetry right down our penguin. I make these lines super softly because it needs to be erased and we don't want any ghost lines. So we're gonna make a dot. Let's make it right here. And then I need to make a dot for the top and I'm gonna do it right here. And then I'm gonna make like a little bird. I'm gonna make like a little open book. And then I'm going to arch it out and connect it. But first I'm gonna go super slowly and I'm gonna gauge about how far do I wanna go right here. And I think about this much is good, leaving about this much out. So that needs to be about this much out. And then I have to kind of keep an eye on how high. So I'm gonna make a super soft line right here to help me know how high to take it. And then I eyeballed how far out to take it. Then all I have left to do is to connect these with that. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And I'm gonna do this very softly and connect it. Then I can come back and make that line darker. I'm gonna use the line of symmetry also to create where the eyes are gonna go. So I'm gonna go and make these little eyes. They're gonna be funny. So I'm gonna make these eyeballs like this. And then like this. There's hardly any space in between the two. And you have like a slight curve and an eyelash. And then out on this side, same thing. And then go out here, have an eyelash. Then I'm going to make an eyeball. But it's not the entire eyeball, it's just like half of it. See, little penguin eyes. It's a girl, it's got eyelashes. Perfect. Then I'm going to make a nose, but the nose is gonna be in the shape of a heart. This is a Valentine's little penguin. This is the female version. There we go. And that's the little beak. Now for the feet, I'm going to make 2 hearts. So here I'm going to use these little marks and that's going to be where the bottom of the hearts are going to go. Then I'm going to make some hearts right here. And these need to be nice and plump. So watch. I'm gonna go like this. And there's one. And then on this side, I'm gonna make the second one. I'm going nice and soft and slow. And this one goes like this. And I'm gonna try to make these 2 hearts feel pretty close to even. So I'll come out like this. Erasing a little bit of the overlap to get a better look. And I'm going to erase some of these line of symmetry. I'm still looking at these hearts, trying to figure out how to make them pretty close to being the same. I think that's close enough. So I have 2 hearts for the feet and then the heart for the face. Oh wait, there's more. Using the same line of symmetry right here, I'm gonna make a 3rd heart, and this one goes like this. And then there's gonna be this bow, but the bow is really made out of 2 more hearts. And I'm trying to keep it even, remember? Trying to keep these bows looking close to the same. So once you reach this point, then you can erase, clean it up just a little bit, and then you're going to press harder. I think I'm going to outline it with a permanent marker, and that's going to be easier because then once I'm done with that, then I can go ahead and erase it and clean it even better. So this is how you make your Valentine's penguin girl. And now I'm going to outline it really quickly, since now I know that these are the lines that I want. And then I'm gonna go like this, trying to get all of this in, getting this nice and smooth and even. And on this side, also trying to keep it even, Steven. Even, Steven. Okay. Direction. Same thing. Looking good. If you want to avoid smudging things, go ahead and use an envelope or a piece of paper, and that will help you to stay clean and not smudge things any more than you need to. And we're going to clean this with the eraser at the end. Go nice and slow. And then you don't have to use a permanent marker for these. You could use like a black pen, or you could use just a fine marker that's not necessarily permanent. Use what you have, but I really like using the thin tip. And then I did double lashes right here, and then the eye. For the eye, I'm gonna leave a little highlight, and there you go. Then I'm gonna make the heart on the top, and that line of symmetry really helps to get things where they need to be. So always give yourself a line of symmetry to work with. Just make it super soft, and then it's easy to erase. I'm gonna make my horizon line. So to make a snowflake, I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna make a couple of these. I think I'm gonna try doing different sizes. Maybe 1 and 2 here. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 1 more. And I'll make probably the same thing on the other side, something pretty close. And then a medium one. You can add as many snowflakes as you want to. Once this dries a little bit, for a couple of minutes, then you can go back in here. And you can use an eraser. Remember to do little circles. And that's your last step. Just go back and clean up your pencil marks. Here you have it. A girl penguin for Valentine's Day.